Welcome back to Master Your Glass with me, Livio, Lauro. Take your aperitivo to the next level. On this very brief episode, I'm going to show you how to make seltzer water. Let's get into this. To make seltzer, I always start with everything very cold. My water is cold and I just pulled my siphon right out of the refrigerator, even though it is empty. I will start by removing the cap and by removing the hose inside. Some seltzer bottles will also have a little rubber grommet in here that needs to come out, because if it doesn't come out, it will be hard to put your funnel inside of it. Now I'm gonna just take this cold water and pour it right in. Now your seltzer bottle or siphon will tell you how much it can hold. This one here is a liter seltzer siphon, so I am putting about a liter of water inside. Now what I want is I want this seltzer to be very strong, so I'm going to double charge it, and to do that I'm going to just take this part right here, and they all come with one of these. I'm going to take this, and in essence what you're doing is you're forcing this inside, but to do that you're going to use this little cap here, and you're going to just screw it just like that. Okay, now that has actually introduced the air inside of the seltzer canister. I'm going to unscrew, and now empty trash. I'm going to give this a little shake, just get that air around, and I'm going to charge one more time. Okay. Now this siphon here is double charged. So lastly, this part right here can be exposed. It's not a problem. Most of them come with a little cap. I'm going to just go ahead and use the cap that I used to press in the CO2 cartridge. And this soda is ready to go, or I should say this seltzer is ready to go. By the way, difference between seltzer and soda is soda has other minerals in it, like potassium carbonate or sodium carbonate. There could be many other things, whereas seltzer water is just water with a whole lot of pressure in it. Recently, I was on a YouTube presentation for the Italian Trade Agency, and on that show with me was a group of Italian bartenders, and they pointed out to me again how important seltzer was in the aperitivo ritual of Italy, so I can't wait to put this to work. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make seltzer water and its importance. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe. If you know anybody who would be interested in this topic, go ahead and share that video with them. And come back to Master Glass with me, Livio, Lauro, where you get expert instruction